We are here at Acton Storm Tanks today to celebrate, I suppose, the public art that we've put out on this quite important site. This is where the 25 kilometres tunnel actually starts. This is where the Tideway project begins.
Most of the site itself is now covered, buried underground, and it's really nice actually to have some public art onto the sites themselves.
We had various different artists with their different takes on what they would like, what their vision for the sites were.
We're launching 3 sculptures that I've created for the Tideway Super Sewer. So each figure represents a different character associated with this locale. The washerwoman Sybil behind me is a fictional character. She's there to represent the fact that a number of laundries were set up in this area in Victorian times. Sir Joseph Bazalgette is the original engineer who designed the Victorian sewers in London, and I have made a representation of him with his fabulous Victorian moustache. And we have Colin here, who is a youth worker in Acton, who I met during the pandemic when I did some workshops with local teenagers.
My name's Colin Brent. I'm a youth worker based at Bollivant Youth Centre in South Acton. And here I am! Sarah came to the youth centre. We had 2 groups of young people, I think 10 young people in total. Worked over 6 weeks with Sarah, kind of trying to identify who represented Acton. I was desperate for it not to be me, and immediately they're like, yeah, it's Colin, and I said, no, and putting forward other people. What they were saying is actually a hero in the context of South Acton. I'm not saying this is me. They don't have to be famous, they don't have to do anything great, but if you can actually maintain your personal integrity during periods of hardship, that's actually what a hero is. I love it.
One of the things one notices, particularly when one comes and gets involved with Tideway Tunnel events, is how Sir Joseph, his legacy is admired and respected. This is an iconic demonstration of what human beings can do for ourselves when we really learn how to live together.
I'm very excited to see the public realm come into being and for all of these sites to be open. The commissions and make a kind of necklace right through the centre of London. Nothing like this has ever happened before in London, so it's great for the city and for public art, I think.